Hey guys, Lake's Cat here, and today I made up a challenge I haven't seen on YouTube yet. I am going to be telling you guys my family's sneezes, how they sneeze. So, if you like this video, please leave a like, obviously. You want to see more videos from me? Please subscribe. Watch the whole video. You can also click that bell after you subscribe. Smash it! Smash it with a hammer or a mallet. Okay, guys. Let's do this. So, my youngest brother just goes, chew! Chew! He doesn't do it twice. He just does it once, but he just goes, chew! Chew, 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 chew. He goes, chew that food. Chew, chew that food. You better chew that food. Eat your broccoli. Chew that broccoli. Eat your vegetables. And then, the one older than that, I'm the oldest brother. Oldest, look at my light. Is it bright? Bright, huh? Well, the second oldest, the middle brother, he sneezes. He's a horse. Now, not really, but that's what I imagine horses like. No, that's more like, I don't know what that noise is from. Sort of like goose horse? Duck horse. He just goes. No. Okay, there we go. I'm in the middle of family, so I gotta do me next. I just go, chew! But sometimes I'll go, Chwah! And I'll scream. I'll literally scream. I'll go, high-pitched scream. And yeah, I'm in the middle. I'm like a little girl. Actually, that's not what little girls sound like, basically. Oh, no. I sound like an alarm. And then my mom, hers is, to me, the second funniest. She goes, no, she doesn't yawn. She just goes, wasn't me. And then me and my brothers just make fun of her and just go, it's all true. Don't we think so, Crocodile? Huh? Don't we think so? No, carry over here. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We all think so. Hey guys, I'm taking over the channel now. I think we all know well you better listen to me or else you will be really hurt. Oh yeah, it's so funny! Yeah! Just having some fun. Hey alligator, that's my channel. Oh, bye. Gotta leave. Bye. Sorry about that, guys. Just does whatever he wants. Okay, now my dad, the last. Sporting you? Warning. Pretty funny. It might make some people laugh. Like this. They'll be like, okay. So he sounds like this. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! He goes, yeehaw! Yeehaw! He's a cowboy, yo. Yeehaw! So that was final. If you have anything to say, I do. Yeehaw! See you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, remember to leave a like. No thumb, bad. No, no, no. This correct. Nope. This is correct. I know you guys might think like, this or this. I choose this. But guys, you should actually turn that to an upside down thumb. An upside down thumbs down. Ow, my finger. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell to be part of a precious secret club. What? The notification squad. It's not secret anymore, is it? See you guys in the next video.